Some people think that when you say self-care, it automatically means getting your hair done, your face done, your nails done, taking yourself shopping, maybe even taking yourself out to eat. I agree, all of those things are self-care, but for me, self-care goes a bit deeper. Self-care is something I actually have to do every day. Hi, I'm LJ, and welcome to my channel. You see, self-care doesn't just start with taking care of the physical. Self-care actually starts internally for me. It's about repairing myself from everything I went through in my past. Today, I'll be using my Cincom Leg Circulation Heat Massager. When I was younger, I used to think I was a basketball superstar, and I still get out and play from time to time. Unfortunately, I do have an old basketball injury in my leg, and when it gets cold outside like it is today, that injury acts up and arthritis definitely kicks in. So to handle my pain today, I will be using the Cincom Heated Leg Massager. The great thing about it, I can do one leg at a time or both legs at the same time. I can also switch between 3 different modes depending on what I want to focus on. Combination, circulation, or sequence. I can also select the strength of the massage I would like. I can go with the minimum, medium, or maximum. And the same when it comes to the heating function. I can choose between minimum, medium, and maximum when it comes to the level of heat I would like also. Some days my arthritis is quiet and I need just a little light touch. And other days, I need to bump it up to the max. And today, I'm taking it to the max. Maximum pressure, maximum circulation, as well as maximum heat. The rhythmic pressure from my Cincom is going to encourage blood flow from my legs back toward my heart. This will help to keep blood from pooling. With these adjustable straps, it makes finding the perfect fit effortless. Even better, they include extenders that are comfortable to accommodate calf sizes of up to 28.5 inches. Basically, just slip your feet and your leg in, and they zip right up comfortably. With the adjustable strap, I can make sure they're on my leg at the accurate tightness that makes it comfortable for me. The fact that it uses air to wrap around my entire leg, giving me a deep squeeze, it actually mimics a professional massage. And with the deep heat feature that I'll be using today, it's going to hit exactly where that injury was at and where I feel that arthritis at. This is the adjustable Velcro straps and the easy to zip zipper. My main goal by using the Cincom leg massager is to get my blood back to moving. When you have old injuries, things tend to get stiff, as well as with age. However, this massager brings that circulation back. It also takes that heavy feeling out of my legs at the end of a long day, so I can actually sleep in peace. Because it helps my muscles to bounce back faster, I have not turned in my old basketball shoes. I still square up with my grandson every now and then. Being that the controller is simple handheld, I don't have to struggle with the buttons either. So I definitely like that feature as well. With the compression therapy that I'm currently getting, it also improves my circulation and reduces fluid buildup. It's currently applying gentle, rhythmic pressure to my legs. This feature is currently moving any excess fluid I have back into my circulation system. That will relieve the swelling and discomfort that I'm feeling. The Cincom is great if you suffer from muscle fatigue, soreness, or fluid retention. If you're interested, I'll leave a link to purchase in the description box below. I normally start my days right here. This is my safe space. This is where I create. This is where I talk to my Creator. This is where I connect with God. A part of my deepest self-care is not just repairing my body, it's definitely repairing my mental. You see, repairing my body is just the beginning. The real work starts right here. Things happen in all of our past that always stay in the mind. And if we don't do the work to heal those things, then we're never truly at peace. I've realized if I don't take control and define my life, the past will control me and the past will define me. Each day, I speak my truth to God. I ask for guidance, I ask for protection, and I ask for wisdom. I ask God to assist me into turning yesterday's lessons into today's wisdom. You see, I stopped just praying a long time ago. I realized my prayers were not being answered. And it wasn't because God wasn't listening. It was because I was praying and just waiting. I was waiting on God to move, but I wasn't moving. And that's not how it's supposed to be. For me, God is a partner. I have a partnership with Him. When I ask God for something, I work with God. I now know that I can't just sit around, pray, and wait on a miracle while I sit still and do nothing. Now when I pray, I put my actions behind my prayers. I open my Bible, I get my mind right, and then I start scripting. What I'm doing right now is I'm writing my own future. I'm writing my reality into existence. I no longer hope for a better life. I partner with God and I create a better life. Once I'm done connecting with God and journaling my thoughts, I don't just go back to sleep. I go to work. Once I'm done here and close this book, my day is just begun. Now I have to show up for my end of the deal with God. I have to put the work in to show him I'm serious about my prayers. I have to work on my partnership with God. After working on the physical and the mental, there's no way I cannot work on my heart. You see, it's impossible to have structural wounds from an old basketball injury, mental wounds from thoughts that I've thought in the past, or from things that have been said to me, and not to have heart wounds from people that I've loved that didn't return that same love back to me. You see, for me, self-care, it's like a full circle. You know that mind, body, and soul? When I start my self-care routine, that's what I focus on. I focus on repairing my mind, my body, and my soul. And to do all of those things, I know I have to be a co-creator, a partner, and work with God. I can't just pray for healing and wait on God to heal me. I have to do my part as well in my partnership that I have with the Lord. And this is truly what my self-care routine looks like every day. My self-care is not a once a week thing. It's not a once a month thing. Because every day I get better, I get stronger, I get wiser. And I do that through my self-care. My self-care routine is a 100% lifestyle for me. If you like my content or you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. Until next time, stay blessed up and remember, peace is priceless.